let women sort of drive their own healthcare.
Legislation that's promoted by women tends to face higher levels of scrutiny.
I think it's really, really important that we are very conscious of not criticizing our own bodies in front of our daughters and granddaughters.
The incredible resistance of Black women throughout American history who have continued to reclaim our joy and our ability to create life.
Everything that we have achieved is something that had to be fought for.
Being open about what's available, what we want to continue to be available, that is what is essential.
The best thing you can do is to model the behavior.
Focus on the magic and on the beauty and on the joy